put rosemary under your bed, and watch what happens. Actually, when we talk about good or bad energies, we find conflicting opinions, but there are many people who say that after placing rosemary under their bed, their lives have changed. And is that, according to some specialists in the subject, many of the ailments or problems they present either at work, family or sentimental are related to the bad energies that may be around them, so you must take letters in the issue and try to solve this immediately. For this, there is a powerful element of nature that helps balance the inside, while it cleans up everything bad, both internal and external to its being, and is nothing other than rosemary. Rosemary is very used by cultural beliefs and specialists in working the energies, and here we will tell you a simple ritual with him so that you turn away the bad energies that can surround you and influence your being. You just need rosemary. Just before bedtime, place it under the bed at head level or on a table that lights up next to our bed. Let it act all night at rest until the next morning. You can observe the result of the rosemary. If the rosemary is drier, it means that during the night it absorbed all the bad energies. After verifying the state of the rosemary, you must get rid of it. Throw it in the trash, but never in a forest or at the entrance of your house, since the idea is to drive away